Hey everyone, it's Marisa with Sweet Pea Curiosities. And hey, so I'm here today because I just finished one of my Christmas journals. I experimented. I've never done this before and it was a lot of fun. So it's a box with two small journals inside. And what I used, I had Jello packaging. These became the book covers. And then I used an Epson box that I had. So I just thought I'd just do a quick flip through of this cute little journal box. So the front, I just embellished it with some kind of velvet, green velvet, put a little saying here that says believe. I used a lot of my digitals that I have out there right now, my Christmas digitals, and I'll link those below. And I just tied it to the back, but I attached this here to the front to hold it. I was trying to do a magnet underneath here just to do it, but it wasn't holding, so I had to kind of change that up. So anyways, it just opens up like this, and then inside I have my two little journals. So I'll pull those out. Isn't that cute? Just fun. So I got them twisted here. So I did two signatures in them. I probably could have sewn them closer together, but I was afraid of making them too, gator mouth, that they wouldn't fit into the box. So I did leave kind of a big opening in them. But yeah, so I just decorate them just like a bigger journal that I've done. I've never done a small one before. And they're just very simple. There is writing space. There's a lot of little tiny ephemera in here. This here's a little flip out with some more little ephemera. This here's a little side pocket with a little envelope, and it has some ephemera inside it as well. Yeah, I just kind of embellished throughout. So yeah, so you can add stuff to these if you want. Another little side pocket with some little music sheet. This was easier to do as far as decorating, just because I didn't go into a lot of detail with it like some of my other journals. So that made it a little bit easier. Love that picture. Little elf. Little photo tag. Little tiny pocket. Just here. Just a little flip. Hold that. Little tag. This here's kind of a raised gingerbread. So a sticker that I had, so I just stuck that in there. This is some more of those tape transfers. This is a different Christmas fairies. They're so cute. So there's that one, and I just put lace on the back. I sewed the signatures in. Here's this one here. Isn't she pretty? A little tag, another little gingerbread, Another little side pocket here. Little dog. This is an old coaster. You know, they used to, when you go to restaurants or whatever, they have those coasters, and my mom always collected these, and now I pick them up every time I go, and I've got so many of them. But this is an old one, and I just cut it in half. I actually made that a pocket. I forgot to put something in there. I gotta add something in that. Oh, and here's another little pocket here. Oh boy, I missed some stuff here because I've got a pocket here too. Oh boy, I gotta go through this again. Add some more stuff. Here I just made a little flip. A little tag. A little pocket here. A little pocket here. Little pocket here. Little deer. A little pocket. This here is 4 pockets. So I have one here, one here, one here, and one to the back. And that's just a folded piece of paper that created those little pockets. Little pocket. This here, you can see it's raised. It's just a sticker of a candy cane. And there's that. So yeah, so just a real quick video just showing the flip through. And it's, you know, got to recycle some boxes. Make a cute little gift for someone, and they can add more stuff to it. So I hope you like that. Thank you so much for watching, and if you haven't already, please subscribe. Thank you so much, and I'll link the Christmas gifts, or sorry, Christmas digitals below for you. Thank you. Have a great day.